India is pouring billions into semiconductor fabrications, assembly, and testing. But infrastructure and financial incentives alone cannot build an industry. Now, to become a global semiconductor superpower, India needs a massive, highly skilled workforce. And thus enters Gujarat's latest strategic move. But before we actually go ahead and unveil the details on this wonderful development, please request you to like, share, and subscribe. Really does motivate us, to be honest. Thank you so much. Backed by 190 crore rupees investment, Gujarat is establishing Samarth, located right inside IIT Gandhinagar. It is the silicon and advanced semiconductor manufacturing research and training hub. Now, this is jointly funded by the Union Ministry of Electronics and IT, which is MeitY, the Gujarat government's Department of Science and Technology, and IIT Gandhinagar. Now, this facility is designed to become the ultimate national center for chip innovation and workforce development. The core objective of Samarth is to bridge the glaring gap between academic education and practical industry requirements. Now, while India produces thousands of engineers annually, as we all know, very few have the specialized training required for chip design and advanced manufacturing. This new center focuses on hands-on, industry-oriented training to ensure students are completely fab-ready. Now, ideally, this indicates being capable of stepping onto a fabrication floor and contributing from day one. And they are building world-class infrastructure to make it happen. The facility will house state-of-the-art laboratories dedicated to nanofabrication, CMOS process training, device modeling, and IC prototyping. It will even feature a dedicated characterization lab for testing and quality assessment facilities. These are, of course, typically available only in leading global research hubs. The training targets are highly aggressive. Now, over the next 5 years, Samarth aims to train more than 10,000 individuals across the board. The breakdown includes and will look something like this: over 5,600 undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral students, 1,500 vocational and technical education trainees, 1,000 participants in specialized certificate programs, 230 faculty members, and 230 industry professionals receiving advanced upskilling. But building a semiconductor industry isn't just about the factories, and that's where Samarth could make the biggest impact. It also aims to connect Indian researchers, students, and startups with leading national and international semiconductor institutions, which means joint research, knowledge exchange, and exposure to the latest global technologies and manufacturing practices. Gujarat has already emerged as one of India's biggest semiconductor destinations, attracting major chip investments under the India Semiconductor Mission. Now, with Samarth, the focus shifts from building infrastructure to building the workforce that will power those very factories. Now, industry experts often generally say a successful semiconductor ecosystem rests on three pillars, which is infrastructure, policy support, and skilled talent. Gujarat has made significant progress on the first two. Samarth is designed to strengthen and further corroborate the third point. Additionally, to cultivate long-term interest, more than 2,700 school and college students will participate in summer schools and exposure programs. Now, crucially, these world-class benefits are not restricted to only IITians. IIT Gandhinagar is preparing to sign MOUs with engineering colleges all across Gujarat. This collaborative model will allow students from diverse academic backgrounds throughout the states, mind you, to access these elite training programs at nominal fees, which I think is wonderful. The hub will also, by the way, establish international collaborations to facilitate joint research and expose Indian talent to global best practices. And of course, as always, which is the best practice on front page? Here is the front page take. This 190 crore rupees project perfectly aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for the India Semiconductor Mission 2.0. The Prime Minister had recently noted the goal is not limited to setting up a single factory, but to build an entire self-reliant ecosystem of design engineers, machine manufacturers, and logistics. Now, by combining cutting-edge research, massive scale training, and deep industry engagement under one roof, Samarth addresses the most critical pillar of a successful semiconductor ecosystem, which is, yes, human capital. But the question here is, will hubs like Samarth emerge as the missing piece in India's semiconductor mission, or is there more than should be looked at as of right now? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below on this brilliant development? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.